Okay, now I go over 4 different type of solution of the equation, trigonometric equation. So the part 1 here, the first one here, we solving the basic, the most simple question. And I try to make sense of what it meaning. So now you have cosine theta equal root 2 or 2, right? Then you have to solve all angle, which is you put in here equal root 2 over 2. Now, to make sense of what you're doing, so root 2 over 2 is about 0.7, about. So you look at here, you treat this one as a function, and this one another function, okay, two functions. This one y equal cosine theta, this one y equal root 2 over 2. And you solving mean, you finding an intersection between two functions, right? So the function root 2 over 2 here, look like this, 0.7. So here, then you draw the line here. Okay. So now this one is y equal root of 2 over 2. And this one here is cosine theta. Now I use the degree for you to be comfortable with, right? To understand better, but you should not use the degree when you put the graph in here, okay? For zero, you already know. So the solution should be right here, okay? The solution should be right here. And the solution should be right here. It is about 45 degrees, for example. Okay? So now another way how to see it, you look at the circle here. The circle here. So you see where the cosine, what the theta equal root 2. They don't have to be 45 degrees, right? So this one 45 degrees, this one root of 2, this one 2 in this circle. Okay? So also here, because cosine also is even function. Even function in here also we have negative 45, right? So the cosine 45 equal root of 2 adjacent over hypotenuse root of 2 over 2. Also negative 45, this one also root 2 over 2 positive here. So you look, the solution we found here is 45 degrees. Theta equal 45 degrees. Also theta equal negative 45 degrees, or 315 degrees, okay, 315 degrees. So you have two sets, right? This one or this one. So when you look at this, so this one should be 45, this should be negative 45, and this one should be, this one here, you add with 360 degrees, right? You got the next one. So here, you add with 360 degrees, you got this one. That's why we compare it to this one period right here. Right here. So this one here equal, this one add with 360, 45 plus 360 equal 405. Here is 405. 405. Okay, not only you have to find the solution, but you understand fully. This is periodic. So that means you have to add with 360 degree K. So what does that mean? So now let's talk about 45. If you add 360 more, you get another solution. And you keep adding 60 more, 360 more, and you have many solutions. You add, the whole period from here to here. And you go again from here to that. And again and again and again. So therefore the solution should be this. We go find all solution. Okay? So but you can do this as well. You have to say K equals 0, 1, 2, 3, dot forever. Because when K equals 0, this one gone, you have the first solution. K equals 2 you put here, then you have the second solution. K equals 1, you have the second solution, because this you add to 360, you get 405 over there. And K equals 2, you add another 360 degrees and you keep going. Okay? In this the same thing here, you can do add with 360, that's fine. You add with 360K, add or subtract as well. Okay, you can subtract, you go backward here, you subtract from here, right? You go backward 360 and you get another one right here. Okay, so also the solution. So this one, how about negative 45 degrees? You add This one negative 45 degree, you add mean you add 360, right? You go down here and you get another one. Okay, wherever it is, you add. So this one negative 45 degree, if you add, what happens? You're going to get this one. From here, you see, go all the way from here to here to here. Then you have another solution. From here to here is 360, right? It goes back, any point here, you add 360, go back to start the new period, okay? So that is the answer. Now sine theta equals 0. So when you deal with 0, negative 1, always you think about 1 in each circle, 1 in each circle. Sine equals 0, where? Okay, let's take a look. This one 1 in each circle, this one 1, 0, 0, 1, negative 1, 0, 0 and negative 1. Remember, when you see something like 0 and 1 to the right side here, which sine, cosine, you think about the 1 in each circle. But tangent equals 1 is different, okay? So now, this one x, this one y, right? X is cosine, y sine, cosine theta, y sine theta, okay? So therefore, sine theta equals 0. Sine is 1, y equals 0, so right here, this one y, right here, and right here, right? So therefore, your solution can be very simple. Equal 0 plus pi k, because every time you have to 0, degree 0, you go over, you add with pi k equal 1, you get here, right? And you add another pi, you get another one, and you add pi, so this is the solution. Now, instead of to say k equal 1 to 3, right, you can do k, you can do only this. So k equals 0, 1, 2, 3. Okay, you don't need to make the most simple. When k equals 0, pi times 0 equals 0, to start from here. Okay, the solution. And k equals 1, you get this one. K equals 2, you get this one, 2 pi. K equals 3, you get 3 pi, which is sine of 3 pi equals 0. You also you have to say plus, okay, k equals plus minus, because k minus you can go this way as well, right? And go this way, go this way, go this way. Okay. So that means how to write this one in a compact notation to make sure you tell a whole story about that without you list every number. Okay. Now next one. 10 cosine goes 0. Okay, that's different thing. So now again you get back into the circle, 1 in the circle again. When you deal with 0, 0 for cosine side, 1, 0, 0, 1, negative 1, 0, 0, and negative 1. Cosine is x, so x equals 0 in here and in here, right? So you start with pi over 2. You run pi over 2. The theta equal pi over 2. But however, you add pi over 2. You add pi because you add another 0, right? So you have to say plus pi k. Okay, you start from this point, not like sine, you start from here. That make it easy, right? Simple. But cosine, you start from here. You still have to add pi. Then you have to start from here. Instead of this one, you add pi, but you start from the 0. So now in this case, you have k equal plus minus 0, 1, 2, 3. Okay, k equals 0, you get the first one. Okay, k equals 1, you get the second one. If k equals minus 1, and you talk about minus pi. If k minus 2, you get another one, and you go this way. Okay, all solution. Okay, now next one. Tangent square equals 1. So therefore, tangent of theta equals plus minus 1, right? Right. So you take the root both sides, plus minus. So it gives you so many of the solution here. In quadrant 1, tangent equal. Let's say this one is 2 in each circle. Okay, 2 in each circle, easier to see. So you have root of 2 here. Now you have negative root 2, right? Tangent equal 1. Therefore, this one is theta have to be 45 degrees, right? Also tangent equal -1 right here, because this one 1, -1 opposite over upon here, also the 1, so this one go 135 degree. Also here a positive 1 because y negative, x is negative, so negative over negative equal positive, right? Let's make this root of 2 easier. So this one 1 and 1. So now in here a positive again, so we have 225 and 315 degree. 1, 2, 3, 4. Each of them different from pi over 2, 90 degree. So I use the degree, okay? So now you start only one piece, you have theta equal 45 degree. So 45, then you add with 90, you get another one, add with 90 degree. And you add 90 more, you get another one, you add 90 more, you get another one. So K, okay? So where K equal plus minus 1, 2, 3, 4, okay? Maybe 0, 2. K equal 0, okay? Plus minus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, if K equal minus 1, you put here 45 minus 90 become minus 45, then you start from here, okay? Then minus 2 you get this one, minus 3 you get this one, minus 4 you get this one. Okay, and you have very compact solution. The same thing here. So you have 1 over 4. For example, cosine square equal 1 over 4. Cosine equal 1 over 4, you cannot solve it, but cosine square 1 over 4 you can, okay, let me make it something more simple, okay, cosine 1 over 2, okay, cosine square equal 1 over 2. So what is the solution? Cosine theta equal 1 over 2 means theta equals 60 degrees, right? But cosine square, so you take a root both sides. So what happens? You have cosine theta equal plus minus root of 1 equal 1. Don't leave 1 under the root. That's very strange. So root of 2. Okay, plus minus root of 2. So 1 over root 2, same thing with root of 2 over 2, right? So therefore cosine plus minus root 2, you have many solutions. This one missing the minus 1 here. So now if you talk about theta here equal 45 degree, right? So also theta have to be 135 degree. Okay, from here theta have to be this and also negative 135 degree. Also equal 225 degree in here. Okay, cosine equal negative root 2 over 2 here, negative root 2 here, root 2 over 2 here, and root 2 over 2 here. So you have all four of them just like the tangent square equal 1. So two of them equivalent. So the answer should be just like this. Okay. So that is, this one is the first part.